I discovered a fun secret when I was at a gathering with friends. Everyone was playing with this walkie-talkie. It has no distance limit and can reach up to 6,000 kmers. It is small and light and can be carried with you. It also has single call and group call functions. You can call a designated person or group, so you no longer have to worry about not being able to find your companions. Single call is a one-to-one call, so you no longer have to worry about others hearing what you say. It is very suitable for outdoor activities or teamwork. It will be more convenient to communicate with each other with it. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.